If the carburetor becomes contaminated, you might be able to clean it by removing the carburetor bowl. Depending on accessibility, the bowl can sometimes be removed without removing the carburetor from the engine. Inside the bowl, the inlet needle and main jet are most likely to be affected by stale or contaminated fuel. A stuck closed inlet needle will prevent fuel from entering the bowl, and the engine will not start. A stuck open inlet needle will cause the bowl to overfill. The engine will run excessively rich, and fuel may leak from the carburetor. This inlet needle is in excellent condition. If corroded, or if the tip was deformed, it would need replacement. A replacement is available in the carb overhaul kit. If the inlet seat is excessively corroded, the carb will need replacement. This inlet seat is in excellent condition. As seen in another video, removing the main jet is best done using a hollow ground screwdriver. Because I didn't take the carburetor off, there's no way to shake out the main jet, so I'm using a hex bit to extract it. The hex bit fits snug, but is not damaging the main jet. This main jet is clean and needs no service. If the main jet were plugged or corroded and could not be cleaned, the carburetor should be replaced. Replacement main jets are not available, and clearing with a wire or drill can oversize the jet. In this engine, the fuel had gone stale and there was water in the tank. Other than a little varnish, the carb is in great condition. This is the extent of cleaning that can be done without removing and further disassembling the carburetor. Minor debris or stale fuel problems can often be resolved with a bowl-off repair like seen here. More serious corrosion or debris problems will require complete disassembly or carb replacement. This gasket looks okay, but is common to leak when reused. A new one is included in the carb overhaul kit. The float has no damage or fuel in it, so I'm going to reuse both the float and inlet needle. This bowl screw has an O-ring seal, and it's in good condition. As you've probably guessed, it is included in the carb overhaul kit. If substantial debris or corrosion is present in the bowl, it's likely to have plugged or restricted the pilot jet as well. Servicing this jet is best done with the carb removed. This is a very small jet, much smaller than the main jet, and is likely to become plugged beyond repair. Replacement pilot jets are only available with a replacement carburetor. Additionally, the pilot jet needle cannot be readily removed for cleaning. Debris is likely to remain present even after complete disassembly and ultrasonic cleaning. The suggested retail price of this carburetor is currently $90. In the US, shop labor to perform a thorough cleaning is likely to exceed $90. Meaning the cost to replace a carb is sometimes less than the cost to clean one, or close enough that many shops will insist on replacement to ensure it's fixed right the first time.